TypeScript is a multi-paradigm, open-source and compiler-based programming language developed and supported by Microsoft. TypeScript is a subset of the JavaScript language that helps you write your codes in simpler way and then compile them to obtain a standard JavaScript code output. The advanced features added by Microsoft to TypeScript make it similar to languages such as C#, Java, and etc. TypeScript is designed for the development of large JavaScript projects and simplifies the development process to a great extent. Today, TypeScript has become one of the most popular languages in the world and attracts more people day by day. As a developer, if you have the opportunity to work on a web development project, you should learn how to work with JavaScript. JavaScript has been in the market for years and has become a popular programming language in the development community. However, as we know, if a technology or language is growing, there is always an alternative that enters the market and creates tough competition for the best. It's worth mentioning that there is a new competitor for JavaScript called TypeScript. With the increasing popularity of TypeScript, we can consider it as an advanced version of JavaScript with more features. In my opinion, TypeScript is more suitable for larger scale applications. Wherever JavaScript can be used, TypeScript can also be used. For example, you can use TypeScript in libraries like React and jQuery. Or to use the Angular framework, you must know TypeScript. In general, TypeScript helps us write better JavaScript code. In JavaScript, we have dynamic typing, which means we only need to pass the name of the variable and its value, and we don't need to specify its type. But in TypeScript, we have a static typing. When a variable is defined, its type must else be specified, and only values of the same type should be assigned to it. This helps prevent null and undefined values from entering a function and prevents the variable from accepting them. In fact, JavaScript is considered as a primary programming language for applications and web pages. Therefore, we can now use JavaScript for front-end frameworks like Test.js, React, and back-end frameworks like Node.js and Deno. But the main question is whether JavaScript has evolved for creating and developing large and complex web applications? No, as you might guess, the answer is no. If we consider both languages, every JavaScript code is valid in TypeScript. This means that TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So, if you save your JavaScript programming file .js with the TypeScript extension .ts, it will run fine. However, this doesn't mean that TypeScript and JavaScript are the same languages. By using JavaScript for web development, developers also realized that it can be considered as a server-side programming language. With this happening, JavaScript code become very complex and heavy. Therefore, JavaScript can't meet the expectations of an object-oriented programming language. As a result, JavaScript never flourished as a server-side technology in the industry. This is why the TypeScript language was born to fill this gap.